morning students, welcome back to science class of 7. In our previous class, we have studied about the neutralization reaction and the activity related to neutralization reaction, and I hope everybody have understood it well through the activity. Okay, now in today's video, I will be discussing one other important activity that is in your periodic chapter. ठीक है, द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स. इट इज योर चैप्टर नंबर 1. ये पीरियोडिक टेस्ट 1 का चैप्टर नंबर 1 है, न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स. ओके, सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द एक्टिविटी टू टेस्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च इन द लीव्स. अब हमें पता है कि लीव्स के अंदर क्या होते हैं, स्टार्च होते हैं. उसके प्रेजेंस को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए वी विल डू दिस एक्टिविटी. ओके, so before starting the chapter, let's take a quick recap of the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to study about the nutrition in plants. We know the primary source of food producers are plants, green plants, because every human being, whether plant or animals or other heterotrophs, non-green plants are dependent on plants. Okay, so how plants take nutrition? Plants make food by the process of photosynthesis. Now, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is made up of two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to make. So, the making of food in the presence of light is called as photosynthesis. So, the process by which green plants make their food in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, and give oxygen as byproduct, and that oxygen we use for breathing. Not only we, but plants as well as animals also. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process through which green plants make their food in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll, and give out oxygen as byproduct. Okay, now if you want to see the equation of chlorophyll, it is like that: carbon dioxide with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives glucose and oxygen. What is glucose? Glucose is the food produced by the green plants, and the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. This is the simplest food produced by the green plants. Then these green plants convert the glucose into starch, and this starch is stored in the leaves of the plant. और इसी स्टार्च का हम टेस्ट करना जा रहे हैं, जिससे कि हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि दैट स्टार्च इज प्रेजेंट इन द लीव्स. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विथ आवर एक्टिविटी.
Experiment to test the presence of starch in the leaves. ओके, सो मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड, हमें क्या क्या मटेरियल्स चाहिए इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए, तो आइए देखते हैं वो क्या है. ओके, वी विल नीड अ बीकर. ओके, देन टेस्ट ट्यूब, देन ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड एंड आयरन गॉज. ओके, देन अ ड्रॉपर, देन अ ग्रीन लीफ, टेस्ट ट्यूब होल्डर and Bunsen burner, then iodine solution, उसके बाद मिथिलीन स्पिरिट और फिर पेट्री डिश. सो इन चीज़ों की हमें रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक अ फ्रेश ग्रीन लीफ फ्रॉम अ प्लांट. ओके, देन we will take a beaker with water. As you can see in the figure, you will take a beaker and fill it with water. After that, take a test tube, pour methylated spirit into it. अब एक टेस्ट ट्यूब लीजिए और उसमें थोड़ा सा स्पिरिट डालिए. ओके, methylated spirit डालिए. Then put the leaf into the test tube with the help of a needle or a forceps. अगर वो नहीं घुस पा रहा है उसके अंदर, then use a needle or a forceps. हम क्यों यहाँ पे अल्कोहल का यूज़ कर रहे हैं? Boil the leaf in methylated spirit over a वाटर बाथ. तो हम डायरेक्ट क्या करेंगे, इसको हीट नहीं करेंगे ऐसे, बिकॉज टेस्ट ट्यूब विल ब्रेक डाउन. तो हम क्या करेंगे, टेस्ट ट्यूब में को बीकर के अंदर डाल के वी विल हीट इट. बॉयल द लीफ टिल इट बिकम पेल वाइट. और तब तक हमें बॉयल करना है लीफ को जब तक कि वो वाइट नहीं हो जाता, मीन्स उसका ग्रीन कलर नहीं चला जाता. ओके, देन टेक द लीफ फ्रॉम टेस्ट ट्यूब to place in a petri dish. Now slowly take out the leaf from test tube and place in a petri dish. Spirit becomes pale green due to chlorophyll dissolved in it. और आप देख सकते हैं जो टेस्ट ट्यूब में स्पिरिट है उसका कलर किस में चेंज हो गया है, ग्रीन, बिकॉज वॉट एवर द ग्रीन पिगमेंट वॉज इन द लीफ इट केम इन टू द methylated spirit. Now leaf becomes pale white. As you can see carefully, आप देखिए लीफ का कलर क्या हो गया, pale white due to the removal of chlorophyll. Then add a drop of iodine solution on the leaf. Now slowly pour some drops of iodine solution. Iodine solution क्या है, it is an indicator of starch. ये एक तरह का इंडिकेटर है जो स्टार्च के प्रेजेंस को डिटेक्ट करता है या शो करता है. Okay, so you will see that the leaf will turn into blue black color. It indicates that starch is present in the leaf. So it shows that in leaves starch is present. Okay, so this was the activity that starch is present in the leaves of a plant. I hope you all have understood it well. You can do it at home also if all the apparatus is available with you. Okay. Now some precautions we have to take while doing this experiment. First, spirit is highly inflammable. Be careful. Inflammable means it catches fire very easily. So be careful when we are using it in lab or at home. Then second, glassware is easily breakable, so handle with care. Whatever glassware like beaker, test tube or petri dish that is made of glass is easily breakable, so use it very carefully. Now you can note down the aim to test the presence of starch in leaves, then apparatus or materials required: beaker, test tube, methylated spirit, iodine solution, petri dish, water, tripod stand, Bunsen burner, iron gauge and dropper. Okay, then procedure: first of all take a leaf from a plant. Second, boil the leaf in methylated spirit over a water bath till it become pale white. Then third, spread the leaf in a petri dish. Fourth, add a drop of iodine solution on it. Then what you will observe, observation: leaf turns into blue black color. It indicates that starch is present in the leaf. And inference यानी कि conclusion: this experiment proved that the starch is present in the leaves. Then precautions: spirit is highly inflammable. Be careful. Handle the test tube by using the test tube holder. ठीक? So this you have to write in your copy. Make the diagram and understand it well. Okay? So this was about the activity to test the presence of starch in the leaves.
So children, your homework for today is question number 1. Define photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? You have to write the definition. Then second, give the formula of glucose. What is the formula of glucose? You have to write it. Then third one, which indicator is used in the activity to test the presence of starch in the leaves? तो कौन सा इंडिकेटर हमने यूज किया है इस एक्टिविटी में टू टेस्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च इन द लीव्स. देन फोर्थ वन इज व्हाट प्रिकॉशंस शुड बी टेकन व्हाइल डूइंग दिस एक्टिविटी. और क्या हमें प्रिकॉशन सावधानियां लेनी है इस एक्टिविटी को करते हुए. पूरी एक्टिविटी को बच्चे से देखिए, देन यू कैन डू इट. देन name the green pigment present in the leaves. You have to write the green pigment that is present in the leaves. So this is the homework you have to do in a very neat and clean handwriting, and I hope you all will understand the activity very well. Okay, So, thank you and have a great day.